Daniel, is value up in jeopardy, and does this political crisis only serve to deepen the Korea discount?
Well, obviously, it is affecting in such way. I think that we have to look at why the value up started. It's all trying to increase the payout ratios and return to the shareholders, but the level of the speed is really not happening. And also, what led that value up program were highly affected by the banking sector or the financial industries who are influenced by the government and pushing up their payout ratios. I think that those things are, happening not in a right direction. I think we needed companies to increase their overall payout ratios. So now, having said that, if things are not really working and going into that direction, where the government is under quite a confusion and the value up program is not really happening in a speed that we hope to see, then the upgrade of the valuation is not going to happen. As you know, the Korean market is trading at already below next year's earnings, about 8 times P multiple, which is extremely cheap. But as long as the payout ratio remains at around 20%, I don't see that expansion of the valuation happening. And this political turmoil is not going to help out the process of increasing the value of the Korean companies.
Daniel, from your global asset allocation perspective, how much of a damage are we talking about in the minds of foreign investors looking at the South Korean assets? Do you think that the quick mobilization of the National Assembly or the quick intervention from the financial authorities to stabilize the markets, was that enough? Or do you think there is some lasting effect here?
Definitely, I don't think that's enough. We have to see how quickly this settlement happens and who's going to be the next president and what are the policy is expected, and also what are the relationship between U.S. also versus China, where we stand. A lot of these things that needs to be sorted out before the upgrade of the valuation could happen. So I think that in terms of perspective of foreign investors, it will take a lot of time for them to regain their trust. I don't know whether we should say a trust or any confidence in terms of investing back into Korean market at an aggressive speed. So I think that it will take time. And also we need to see a substantial changes to the shareholder investment culture. Without that, I think this will have definitely lingering effect. But it's a good thing that though the process has been taking at a fast speed. So hopefully we will see some kind of brighter light sometime early next year. Then I think that we could gaze into what kind of things could change. But as you know, Trump is quite against trade surpluses against Korea. So the Korea that has. I think that there will be a lot of changes happening in regards to tariff increases, and also a lot of the industries will be affected because of that. And also this kind of uncertainty affects the currency, and that really also results into foreign investors being reluctant to invest into Korean stocks.